The gardening season typically starts with getting the plants in the ground as soon as possible. But if you put them in too early, a hard frost can kill them, so you have to be careful with that. So I'm going to show you how to use an empty 2-liter soda bottle to make a cloche or a mini greenhouse to protect the plants from cold weather. What you're going to do is start with a nice clean empty bottle and come up about 2 inches or so from where the sides of the bottle start to roll over. So you want to come up somewhere around here. Just make a mark, let's say right around there. What's that, like 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Then we're going to cut all the way around. Just get a long strip of paper. I happen to cut this from a manila envelope. Doesn't really matter what it is. Wrap it tightly around. What you want to do is align the edges of the paper. You don't want it like that. You want it perfectly aligned, just like that. So now you just trace that. Trace around there, and you'll see you end up with a nice square line, perfect line all the way around the bottle. There. And again, that's not really necessary, but I like to get it as perfectly round as we can get it. All right. So now we've got our line. We're going to cut that off. And again, I'm just using a utility knife. This plastic's pretty thin, so it cuts easily. Just be careful. These knives are sharp. There you go. Okay, so there's the bottom half. We're going to discard that. And here's your mini greenhouse, a little cloche. Come out to the garden. I'll show you how that works. Okay, so now we're outside. I've got the plants started, these little seedlings in this plastic tray. And now we're going to protect them at night with the mini greenhouse, this little cloche that we cut from the soda bottle. Wiggle it in maybe a 1/2 inch or so into the soil. And now the bottle will capture the sun's energy and heat. Condensation that forms inside will drip down and help water the root system. And during the day, I would recommend, especially on a nice sunny day, removing the cap and allowing some of that hot air to escape, because you don't want to fry the plant. It could get pretty hot in there. But at night, I recommend always, of course, putting it back on. Okay, so once the plants are fully established, which depending on the plant, it might be 2 or 3 weeks, you can remove the plastic bottles, then take the plants and transplant them right into your garden. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by liking and subscribing. Hey, thanks for watching.